Identify carbide scrap. Let's get started. Understanding carbide. Carbide is a compound made up of carbon and another element, usually a metal. The most common type of carbide scrap is tungsten carbide, which is widely used in cutting tools, mining equipment, and wear-resistant parts. Recycling carbide scrap is essential for conserving resources and reducing waste. Common types of carbide scrap. Carbide scrap can come in various forms, depending on its previous use. Some common types of carbide scrap include 1. Cutting tools, drills, end mills, and inserts. 2. Mining equipment, carbide tips and buttons. 3. Wear-resistant parts, nozzles, seals, and bearings. By recognizing these common forms, you'll be better equipped to identify carbide scrap. Now, let's discuss some tips to help you differentiate carbide scrap from other materials. 1. Weight. Carbide is significantly heavier than steel or other metals. If a piece feels unusually heavy for its size, it's likely carbide. 2. Spark test. When you grind carbide against a grinding wheel, it produces very few sparks compared to steel. This can help you identify carbide scrap. 3. Magnet test. Most carbide scrap is not magnetic, while steel and other metals are. Use a magnet to test the material's magnetism. By using these tips, you'll be able to identify carbide scrap with confidence. Safety precautions. Before we wrap up, it's essential to mention some safety precautions when handling carbide scrap. 1. Wear protective gear. Gloves, safety glasses, and closed-toe shoes are necessary when handling sharp or heavy carbide scrap. 2. Store safely. Keep carbide scrap in a secure container to prevent accidents or injuries. 3. Dispose of responsibly. If you're unsure whether a piece is a carbide or not, consult a professional before disposing.